Hello everyone, this is Dan once again, and I'm just going to do a quick little takedown review of the Ruger SR9c, the compact version of the SR9 series, pardon me, the SR series of Ruger automatic pistols. So let's get cracking into it. We're going to first do a safety check and actually the first step of disassembly, which is dropping your magazine. And as you see, the magazine is empty. And we're going to lock the slide back and do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. We're empty. We're good to go. Now, as I recommended before in my actual review, my first impression review of the SR9c, the only tool that you need to break this down is a good old number 2 pencil. I recommend using the eraser end of a number 2 pencil instead of a punch or anything like that, just to prevent any metal on metal contact that will eventually wear down on your weapon. The Takedown Pin is located right here, and you just push it out from the other side there. So we're just going to take our number 2 pencil and the eraser end and just give it a little firm amount of pressure, and that's it. That pops it out. You'll see that the takedown pin will protrude on the other side there, if you guys can see that. Protrudes out a little bit, and then it's actually pretty easy to remove. Pull it out. There you go. And then once again, you're going to take your number 2 pencil with the eraser end, and the ejector is located inside in the back there. So you're actually going to use that pencil to pull that ejector fully forward. You cannot disassemble the weapon without doing that step right there. You actually can damage it if you use too much force without doing that, so make sure you do that and make sure you're comfortable about that. So just push that fully forward, as you see here. Then you're going to disengage your slide release, pull the trigger, and pull forward. And there you have your frame here, and you have your slide. Now, the great thing about this pistol is a dual recoil spring, so you just want to push back on that, pull it out, and there you go. And pop your barrel out. And there you have a basic disassembly of the Ruger SR9c. You know, not as easy as a Glock, but definitely not difficult at all. So to reassemble it, all you have to do is just do everything in reverse. Put your barrel back in. Sorry, it's a little early in the morning. I can't quite talk right today. Put your recoil spring back in. You'll hear a little click when it engages in the front, so just make sure you hear that. Make sure, and there's also a little ledge where the outer ring of the recoil spring will lay against the barrel bushing there. So, you know, just make sure you look at that. And then easy as this. Slide it back. This is probably the most difficult part, pulling it back like this. So, as I mentioned, use kind of a Glock grip. And then push your takedown pin in. Actually, I'm going to use the slide stop there, and then just push it in. And there you go. You've just disassembled and reassembled the Ruger SR9c. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. This is Dan, and you guys take it easy.